devices must be switched off during departure and landing. Mobile phones and transmitting devices must be switched off at all times. Smoking is not allowed. There are 6 emergency exits, 2 in the front, 2 in the rear, and 2 above the wings. All doors are marked with red and white exit signs, and each door is equipped with an escape slide. In case of emergency, a light strip on the floor will guide you to the nearest emergency exit. Please fasten your seatbelt, and we recommend you keep it fastened while seated.
This is my favorite one. Det är det bästa. Vänta, jag hittar Airways men det är rörelseskaka.